Hey everyone, welcome to another FitAdv workout. Today we're going to be doing a cardio shoulder workout. No weights needed, you just need yourself, and you're definitely going to work those shoulders with this workout. We're going to do 40 seconds of work and about 15 to 20 seconds of transition time, walking time in between. So let's get started. First move that we are going to do is just your basic walk in place. So let's go ahead and get those arms. So in between, make sure you keep your feet moving, keep walking. Our next move, we're going to do a press. Here we go. So keep those arms going at a good pace. Next move, arms out to the side, small little circles going forward. Here we go. Good job. Keep walking. Get those steps in. Good job. All right, same thing, except we're going backwards this time. Arms up. Here we go. Next up, you can either jog or do a fast walk. Get ready in 3, 2, and here we go. You're going to have your arms to the front, extend out to the sides. Good job. rotator cuff. We're going to step forward. Just tap those toes. Good job. So you want to keep those arms at 90 degrees. Down, and same thing, but this time let's do a little heel dig. Okay, here we go. Jog or fast walk is up next. Your choice. Let's do it. Here we go. We're almost there. Alright, next move we want to do is push back. Palms are facing behind you. So here we go. We'll do a little side step. Shoulder level. 10 seconds. All right, shake it out. Keep doing the side step, doing good. Okay, the next move that we're going to do, palms facing forward. We're going to push forward. Get ready. Here we go. Walk it out. Okay, we're going to do one more move here, so get ready. Shake those arms out. So what we're going to do now is a little shuffle. Okay, we're going to do a little shuffle, and we're going to do some punches. Good job. Get forward. Get level. This is it right here. Keep going. Regular walk. So I'm just going to show you a few stretches that you can do on your own. For this particular workout, we definitely work those shoulders. So you want to do a shoulder stretch, holding about 30 seconds for each side. Another good stretch to do is the quad stretch. Same thing, and hold 30 seconds and do each side. And pull back. Forward for another stretch, and then lastly, knee down, get those hamstrings back, and bring it up. All right, good job everyone. Hope you enjoyed that workout, and I'll see you at the next workout.